Abi. If you're new to my channel, then hey girl, hey. Go ahead and click that subscribe button below. To all my returning subscribers, welcome back. This is episode 3. Y'all already know what it is. If you haven't watched episode 2 or 1, then what are you doing? Stop. Go click the link in the description box below and watch it. Come on, y'all. Let's get paid. So in today's video, we will be basically trademarking my business. So we're gonna be trademarking. Yes, ma'am. We're gonna be putting a ring on it today. I do. We're gonna be trademarking, and I want you guys to follow along and trademark your business as well. So I'm basically gonna be showing you guys step by step how I'm trademarking my business. Where do I go? What do I do? Is it money involved? Like, what's going on? And I'm going to be doing it on my iPad. So I'm going to show you guys probably a screen recording so that you guys can see it step by step as I'm doing it. So if you're interested, go ahead and like this video and let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is go to uspto.gov. And you're gonna see this site. It's United States Patent and Trademark Office. I'm just scrolling down. And then I'm just gonna go through the tab that says Trademarks. And they have a bunch of information on how to apply, videos on what exactly you're getting yourself into, what does a trademark cover. But the first thing you wanna do is search the trademark database and see if your brand is being used. So you want to see if your brand is actually live or if it's dead. If it's live, that means that somebody's using it. You don't want to use that name. Let's figure out another name for you to use. So an example I'm using is K's Desserts. So if somebody wanted to make a brand named K's Desserts, and you have the option to choose whether or not you want it to be live. You want to search live and dead or live or dead. If you want to cut straight to the chase and see what's live, then yeah. So I typed in K's Desserts, no records found. That's actually a good thing because that means they can't find anything. So at first I was like, okay, well, let me try typing in just desserts. When I press desserts, now you see it's a long list of different brand names trademarked, and all of these say live, 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 live. That means that all of these are trademarked and they are active. People are actively using these trademarks for their brand. Home desserts, dessert, skateboards. But yeah, so you can get sued. Do not use it if it's live. You will have issues. So then I type in K Desserts again. And that's why it's good to type it in a few times in different variations because different things may pop up. The first thing, nothing popped up this time. You see, it says KK's Fashion, Goodalicious. Like, it's a whole bunch of different names that are similar to K's or desserts, but there isn't one that says K's Desserts specifically. So if somebody wanted to make a brand name called K's Desserts, then you're good to go. I already looked up my name, so I know that my brand name is not taken, but I want you guys to, that's the first step. Go ahead and do that. Look up and see if your brand name is taken or if you need to, go back to the drawing board and create another name. So now I'm just going through some more tabs in the trademark section, and it gives you there's a lot of information on this site. It asks, like, is the trademark application right for you? So, like, what is it going to take for you to get your brand name trademarked? What's the format? And how everything is really going to go down, right? So there are a lot of tools. I advise that you guys take the time to watch these videos that they have provided. Read all of this information. I've already read through it. I just want you guys to take your time. This is a video on how to navigate the website and how to get to the application. So read everything and do your research before you submit your application. So this is really going through the steps of the application process. And now we're going to get to the money talk. So as you can see, it says it's two options. $225. Hold on. I know y'all thinking $225. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. But if you think about it, you're investing in yourself. So at the end of the day, you will get that money back. It's just going to be a small piece of the pie. And you honestly cannot grow a business and cannot have a successful business if you do not, one, take risks, and two, invest into it. You have to put your all into it. So these are just some more videos on the fees, the breakdown of the two different types. Honestly, you only need for me, I need the TEAS Plus, which is the $225. The other one's $275. But you only need the $225 because I'm only selling goods and services, products. And so I don't need any extra. I'm only selling products. So now this is the run through of the form. And right there you can see it says start your application in TEAS, right? So are we ready to apply? Are we ready? Are we ready? I don't know. Are we scared? Are we, And just a huge disclaimer, I probably put on the screen, but I am not a licensed attorney. I am not an attorney. I am an individual filing for a trademark for my business. So take that into consideration as well. So once you click on start the application process, you're going to have to create an account, and then you're going to see this page. And this is the first page, the principal register. That's me. And read through all the stuff. It's just basically general information about what you're doing, what you're doing. You are trademarking a business. Brand name. I'm doing the TEAS Plus, which is $225 again. And it asks, is an attorney filing this application? I'm going to click no because an attorney is not filing it. I'm filing it myself. If you do want to take matters into legal hands and look over everything and make sure everything is correct, yes, get an attorney by all means. Get an attorney and have them do this for you so that you know there are no bumps in the road, no problems along the way. Just like I said before, I'm not an attorney. I am an individual. So I'm just going to do it myself. So now we click continue, and now you're gonna see this page. This page is basically applicant information. So we are going to be filing as an individual. If you have an attorney, it may be different. I'm filing as an individual, so that's what I put. You put your information in. I'm not gonna show you guys all my information because you have to put your address in, but you guys get the gist of it. And now we're going to go to what it is you're trademarking. So we're trademarking that brand name. So it asks what different type. There's a whole bunch of specifications that you can put on it. If it has special characters, letters, symbols, you can put that in. And you type it in the box, and it's going to generate an image of how it's going to look in the end. I'm putting it in standard characters for right now. But you can also press special, form, style, stylized, or you could upload a picture as well if you already have, a special way that your brand name is going to look on all of your products, right? All right, and then we're gonna click continue, and this is like I was saying with all of the special information, so when I click on special form of brand name, then it's gonna ask you to attach a picture or attach, click all the boxes that's special features, different elements. And there's also another like section for if your brand name can be perceived in a different language or translated into a different language. And it's just a lot of different features that you can get really specific on. So now that we have typed in our brand name, we're gonna add our goods and services that we are going to be trademarking as well. So these are all of the products that your brand name that you just typed in will be on, right? So everything that you're selling in your company that your brand name will be on and distributed across, that's what we're typing in, the goods and services that you're selling, the products that you're selling. So I started by typing in makeup. I am going to have a beauty. So my brand is a beauty and cosmetics brand. I'm going to share that with you all because I love you all. So I typed in makeup. A couple things popped up. Typed in skincare. I'm just trying to get the gist of what exactly is going to come up when I type it in. Like how specific do you need to get in the detailing. So I typed in skincare. It's saying pharmaceutical preparations for animal skincare. I'm not selling that. So I type in skincare products, cosmetic products in the form of aerosols for skincare. I'm not selling that either. So then I get straight to the point. I'm selling lip gloss. Yes, ma'am. I'm selling lip gloss. So I type that in and boom, first thing that pops up, lip gloss. So if you guys can see that little code on the side, it says 003. That is the class that lip gloss falls in. That is the class that a lot of other skincare and beauty products fall in as well. So if you're selling skincare or beauty products, you can type in 003 and it will give you the list instead of typing in each individual thing. But to get specific, then, you want to type in each individual thing. So of course I added more things because I'm going to be selling more than lip gloss, but lip gloss is one of the things that I'm selling. So that's what I put just to show you guys. Now they have different sections that you need to click for each product. So I click section 1B, which is saying that I have an intent to sell this because I haven't actually launched my business yet. So I haven't sold anything yet. It is better though, I'm not going to say trademark. They would prefer you to already have been selling stuff with your brand name on it and then get a trademark. You can do it either way though. So section 1A was saying I'm already selling this product with my brand name on it. I'm just trying to get a trademark basically, right? But section B is saying that I have intentions of selling it with this brand on it, right? So I want to get a trademark before I start selling it. So that is that. And then we are, I added more products. Like I said, I am not going to show those products because I want it to be a surprise for my launch. But stay in tune with that. And assign filing basis, you see at the bottom, and then you're going to see also continue. You have to click the box that says I understand all of the terms. I want you to read everything in this application. Please do not miss a beat. Please do not, because you need to know exactly what you're filing for, what you're getting yourself into. It could say, I owe y'all $1 million, and you wouldn't know if you just click next. But now we're going to click next. So now it's just asking for a second form of email address, contact information. So it has my name on there, my current email, and then you're going to add another email. And now we're on the declaration page. You're declaring that everything that you said so far is correct. Go ahead, type in your electric signature, hit pay and submit, and baby, you're trademarking a brand. Thank you all for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Tune in for the next video because you already know what episode 4 is. We're building our websites and Instagram. Bye.